In this video, I'll be talking about 5 topics: YouTube channel setup, basic YouTube video SEOPs, how to get your video in YouTube feed or browse features, how to get views from suggested traffic, how to rank on Google with YouTube videos. Let's crush it on YouTube. The YouTube channel setup. The first thing is the About section. I see a lot of YouTube channels don't fully utilize the YouTube channel description. YouTube gives you 5,000 characters, about 800 words for the description. So please make sure that you use all main keywords for your channel so that your channel can be easily discovered. Write everything related to the topics that you're going to talk about in this channel. Set up the home and playlist pages to keep people on your channel. So this is a channel trailer. I talked about it in the first video. Here are the playlists. As you know, that the more playlists you have on your channel, this will give better chance for people to find your videos and even watch a lot of your videos. Then we have here the channel keywords. You can find it on this menu. So you have to use relevant and searchable keywords for your channel, which is the channel tags. For the upload defaults, you just fill out the description and some of the main tags that usually use. This part will save you tons of time in the future. So it's a good idea to place all the social media links on your page. So this is where you can find it in the basic info. You can find here the links, so you can add your website, Reddit, Tumblr, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. And as you know, that the channel banner is one of the most important things to add. Here usually appears your social media links. And as you can see, the banner should reflect your business and tell exactly what type of content people should expect. So here on my channel, it's no steroids. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition specialist. And this is my certification logo. And I talk about natural bodybuilding and fitness. So this is what people should expect by subscribing or watching my videos on the channel. Also, we have an important part here is the branding. You have to add a picture, whether it's like your logo or picture of yourself or whatever suits your business. And the banner image, we already talked about it. And please don't forget to add the video watermark and place it for the entire video so that this watermark appears whenever someone is watching the video. So this gives more chance for people to subscribe more easily to your channel. The next part is the YouTube equipment. If you search online, you're going to find a lot of things and helpful tips for YouTube equipment. Or the basic equipment that you need in the beginning is a smartphone, and it's preferred to be less than a year or 2 old, and a tripod stand for smartphone, and you should get a ring light. This is examples of ring lights, and lavalier microphone like the one I'm currently using. Video editing software like Adobe Premiere or Vegas Pro, and there is a lot of other free video editing softwares. You should also have a good background or backdrop, whether it's something like a green screen or blue screen, so that you can remove the background like that I'm currently using now, and put whatever background you like. You can find a lot of those backdrops at Amazon. The background should be something very simple, colorful, and with bold colors. The second part, which is the YouTube video SEOPs. You have to think about who will be your target audience, what's their problem, how can you solve it, the benefits they will get by watching your videos. I prefer to have a written video script. I already shared with you a few tips about the intro, content, and closing in the first video. One of the best things also to implement is to deliver interesting content by telling stories. People love stories. So you should decide what will be the core message that you want your audience to remember. Then you build a picture with a visual storyline that captures your audience attention. And always plan your videos. Pre-plan your shoot location, shoot timing, your camera setup, clothes. This will save you a lot of time. Now we go to the third part, which is how to get your video in YouTube feed. As you know, there are several different sources from where YouTube video can receive views. One of the primary traffic sources is the YouTube browse features. And YouTube browse features, as per the definition we see, is the traffic from homepage, home screen, the subscription feed, and other browsing features. And you can trigger the YouTube algorithm in order to get more video views using this significant traffic source. So the browse features consists of home, watch later, watch history, subscriptions, and personalized playlists. So how can we trigger the YouTube browse features? Number one, your subscribers. Subscribers usually find your new videos via home rather than the subscription page. As a result, your subscribers are the one who triggers the home algorithm. Create more good videos that you know that your audience will like. The high click-through rates. Create captivating video titles and thumbnails and experiment with different thumbnail and title combinations. High audience retention. You want to increase the amount of time your viewers spend watching your videos so that YouTube suggests your videos to more interested audiences. Good hook. You want to develop strong hook at the start of your videos so that the viewers are engaged within the first few seconds. Increase viewing session. You can use cards and end screen to link to related videos in a playlist. When users watch your videos one after another, the viewing session will be extended. And the more people spend watching your videos on YouTube, the more likely YouTube will promote them to more and more audiences. The fourth part is how to get views from suggested traffic. The YouTube suggested video algorithm is based on the popularity of specific YouTube videos. It promotes videos that have high rate of viewer engagement. Furthermore, YouTube always promotes videos that receive a lot of engagements. And according to YouTube's own Creator Academy, the factors that build viewers' YouTube suggested videos include videos that have been watched in the same session as the current video, videos that cover the same topic as the one being watched, videos that the viewer has watched in the past. How to trigger YouTube suggested videos algorithm. Videos should have high click-through rates. The average impressions click-through rate range is between 2% and 10%. The title, the thumbnail, the number of subscribers you have, the topic, the number of views, how long the video has been on YouTube, all these factors influence your YouTube click-through rates. YouTube metadata. Yeah, you have, of course, to use a good title, a good description, and relevant tags and keywords. Videos that are most effective and engaging viewers are always at the top of the rankings and appear in your suggested videos. Videos that keep people engaged have a higher rate of audience retention and watch time. So always ask your audience for questions in the video so that you get a lot of comments and ask them to share the video with their friends. Start a YouTube session. YouTube considers whether a video initiates a YouTube viewing session and how frequently the channel initiates those viewing sessions. Your social media profiles, email lists, and websites can act as catalysts for kicking off sessions and, as a result, expanding your audience through suggested videos. How to rank on Google with YouTube videos. For certain search keywords, a video is a better result than a website. You can identify video intent of a topic by searching of the root keyword and checking whether videos get ranked in the search results or not. So, for example, here we use a good searchable keyword, which is common interview questions. And let's see if we have any videos. Yes, we have some videos here. And sometimes you find the videos in the first search. But anyway, this is a good example of a keyword that can be ranked in Google. So let's see another bad example. So now we use another searchable keyword, which is what is business strategy? Let's see. No videos are ranked here. So most probably you will have hard time to rank your video if there is no video out there. This means that Google prefers to show audience an article or a website than to show a video. Some other query types that trigger video results are tutorial videos, how-to videos, and review videos. This is incredibly important because it tells us what type of videos to focus on. So instead of creating videos that talk about your business, you should create videos to teach, to share, to train, and to help your audience. So to increase the chances of your videos showing up in Google search results, you have to do the following. Optimize the video title, description, and tags. Include YouTube chapters or timestamps in the video description. Upload closed captions. This way you can be sure that YouTube has the right keywords mentioned in your video. And of course, create captivating thumbnail. This will attract clicks from Google search. And don't forget to share videos on all social media platforms and on your website or blog. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to connect with me, please visit YTEXPERT.net.